Hello, boys and girls. Today we are going to be working on context clues. This is reading lesson 2 for week 3. Okay. What you're going to do, your learning target for today is to identify the meaning of unknown words. In other words, you're going to use your context clues to figure out what those words, those difficult words mean for you. The first thing you're going to do is click the link to read the article, A Hero's Best Friend. This should be your second time reading it. You read it yesterday. Once you click the link, this article pops up. And this is like a one-page article right here. And that's good to use. You can use this one. But let's say you wanted to know what this word meant, but you want to find it easier. So you can go to Open Magazine View. It's right here. Let's see if you can see it. Open Magazine View in English. And this little bar here pops up. You can have this read to you aloud. So I'm going to stop it for there, but you can have it read to you. You can have it read slower if you want it slower. You can zoom in, make it bigger. Okay, or you can make it fit the page. I like it zoomed in a little bit. I'm going to click out of the read aloud. What I really like is the highlighting tool or even the drawing tool, because you can highlight words that you want to come back to. Let's say you don't know what the word veteran is, and that's going to be one of your words that you're going to look up. So you can highlight that word veteran. Let's say that you decided not to, you can take the highlight off. This will remove the highlights. And then you would say yes. And there it goes back to its normal page. So you can choose 3 words that you want to look up. There's some that are already highlighted for you, and if you want to use those, you're perfectly welcome to use those. All right, that's all I wanted to show you.